You can't leave without paying the bill.
And what exactly do you plan to do about it?
What you're watching right now was created using nothing more than a simple conversation with AI. No complicated prompts, no editing headaches, and no jumping between multiple AI tools. Everything was created inside a single platform using Flova, an AI video agent that combines powerful models like GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 into one seamless workflow. In this video, I'll show you the entire process, from idea to a finished anime video. Along the way, I'll also share a few tips that can significantly improve the quality of your AI creations. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is the Flova dashboard. I'll provide the link in the description. Unlike traditional AI workflows where you have to write long prompts, generate images, download files, upload them into another tool, and repeat the process multiple times, Flova works more like an AI creative partner. You simply describe your idea through a conversation, almost like chatting with ChatGPT. Even if you don't know what to create, Flova can brainstorm ideas. You can simply write your idea or script, then upload reference images, videos, audio files, or even text documents. Next, select the AI models you want to use. Flova lets you choose models for every type of generation, including images, videos, music, and sound effects. Another powerful feature inside Flova is called skills. Skills are much more than saved presets. A skill can store your entire production workflow, including your storyboard structure, prompt strategy, model selection, visual direction, shot planning, and overall creative process. This means that once you've built a workflow that produces great results, you can save it and reuse it for future projects with a single click. It's perfect for creating consistent series, sequels, or videos with the same production style. Flova also includes a skill library filled with ready-to-use workflows created by professional creators. Instead of starting from scratch, beginners can simply choose a proven workflow, customize it to match their own idea, and start creating immediately. Think of it this way. Elements help keep your characters and visual assets consistent. Skills help save and reuse your entire production workflow. Together, they make content creation much faster, easier, and far more organized. So let's start the workflow. First, I'll upload my reference image. I don't want the exact same look. I just wanted to use the image as inspiration. Next, I'll select the image model I want to use for this video. I'm going to use GPT Image 2. Then I'll select the video model. I'm choosing Seedance 2.0, which is one of the best AI video models available right now. After that, you can simply write your video idea or paste your script if you already have one. I'll paste my script along with the video style and aspect ratio. If you don't specify these details, Flova will automatically ask you for them, so there's no need to worry. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate. This opens the main workspace. On one side, you'll see all of your generated content, while on the other side, the Flova agent handles the entire production process for you. The first thing it does is generate a storyboard for your video. After that, it asks whether you want to generate all character and scene references at once, or review them one by one. I'll choose Generate All at Once. Now, Flova starts generating all of the video elements. One of the biggest challenges with AI videos is maintaining consistency across multiple scenes. This is where Flova's Elements feature becomes incredibly useful. You can save important visual assets like your main character, clothing, hairstyle, facial features, props, locations, vehicles, or any other key object as reusable elements. Whenever you generate a new scene, you simply reuse those elements to keep everything consistent. Once all the elements have been generated, we can start creating the video clips. If you want to make any adjustments to the character references first, you can do that as well. In my case, all of the character references look great, so I'll click Start Generating Video Clips. First, Flova generates video prompts for each scene. Then it starts generating all of the video clips automatically. As you can see, all of the videos are being generated at the same time. There's no waiting and no queue. All of the clips are generated without any restrictions. Once the video clips are finished, Flova automatically generates background music for the project and then imports everything into the built-in timeline. From here, you can easily rearrange scenes, adjust the pacing, trim clips, add background music, insert sound effects, apply transitions, and make final edits before exporting your project. Having everything inside one platform means you don't have to switch between different editing software just to finish your video. When everything looks good, simply export the final video and you're ready to publish. Here's the final result.
can't leave without paying the bill.
And what exactly do you plan to do about it? I don't have any money.
Then work it off.
She's way too good looking to be working here.
Make sure you have enough money to pay.
The animation feels smooth, the camera movements look cinematic, character consistency remains impressive across multiple scenes. After testing Flova, I think its biggest strength isn't just the AI models, it's how everything works together inside one seamless creative workflow. From brainstorming ideas to generating images, creating animations, maintaining character consistency, editing scenes, and exporting the final video, everything happens in one place. Whether you're creating anime films, cinematic storytelling videos, marketing content, or social media shorts, this conversational workflow can save you a huge amount of production time. If you'd like to try Flova for yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. New users receive 100 free credits immediately after signing up, and you can earn an additional 200 free credits by exploring Flova, making it a great way to test the platform before upgrading. For creators who need more, Flova also offers affordable paid plans with access to over 20 premium AI models, an intelligent creative assistant, reusable skills, elements for character consistency, and a complete AI production workflow, all in one place.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.